Well, I think this one came out of this case to start with. I can't remember. This one, I'm pretty sure, if I remember, is too loud. But then we got this one, the LED, which might go in the clear plexiglass case. Let's see. Starting. Tiring's so dusty. So you want this one to pull out. Let's even fit with that. Where's it hitting? It barely fit. Oh, that's cozy. It is cozy. I'll just force it in there. She'll like it. I'm not sure I got enough mounting screws. I used to have tons of this shit somewhere. They're getting to. That doesn't make sense. But another one.